you have the femoral triangle. So you have the three structures: femoral vein, then you have the femoral artery, then femoral nerve. We are going to remove again the sartorius. So you have the subsartorial canal or your adductor canal. So again, you have the femoral vein, femoral nerve, and then femoral artery. Then you have the adductor hiatus. Again, the rectus femoris. So for this part here, so clear na siya. So you have the lateral femoral circumflex. Okay, so branches na siya sa inyong lateral femoral circumflex. So ang main is your lateral femoral circumflex artery. Then this one is your profunda femoris. Okay, the main branch is the profunda femoris. This is a branch of your femoral artery. The branches of your profunda femoris, you have the first perforating, the second perforating, the third perforating, and the fourth perforating artery. Okay? First, second, third, and fourth perforating artery. Then at the back, so you have still the same superior gluteal artery, then superior gluteal nerve. Then below, inferior gluteal artery, inferior gluteal nerve, then you have the sciatic nerve. And then same, the vessel going towards the femoral head, this portion here, is a continuation of your lateral femoral circumflex artery. Same at the lower third of the thigh, posterior part of the thigh. So it divides, the sciatic nerve divides into two. You have the tibial nerve and the common peroneal nerve. So you have the popliteal fossa structures, you have the tibial nerve, popliteal vein, and your popliteal artery. So sa anterior, dito siya ma-remove. So let's proceed to posterior. So you have there your same popliteal fossa pa siya nga area. So you have tibial nerve, popliteal vein, then popliteal artery. So below the popliteus muscle, again the popliteal artery will divide into two. You have going pa anterior, this one is your anterior tibial artery. So mo na siya ang mo, okay, mo run here. And then next, you have the posterior tibial artery and then the tibial nerve. Then the largest branch of the posterior tibial artery, this one, is your peroneal artery. So let's proceed to start.